Hello everyone, good afternoon. I am Santosh Boroste from Dindori and I have selected the topic for today's presentation is business communication and recent technology used in business communication. First of all, we should try to understand the concept of business and communication. What is business? Business is a profit earning activities. Every business organization's main motive is to earn profit. Then, what is meant by communication? What is the communication? What is the concept of communication? Communication is the transfer of information from one person to another person. Or we can say communication is the transmission of information, ideas, thought from one person to another person. All we know that this is the age of information and technology. And because of this information and technologies era, various kind of technologies are used for doing the business communication, for doing the communications. All we know that various kind of new applications are used for communication. WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Messenger. With the help of such all kind of applications, we can do the effective communication. Then latest technologies are also helpful for doing the better communication, for doing the effective communication. With the help of video conferencing, we can make or we can take the meeting, and all we know that latest technology, Google Meet, Zoom application, such all kind of applications, such all kind of recent technologies are also helpful for doing the communication. Let's we take one by one. WhatsApp. All we know that WhatsApp is a very popular application using for communication. Instant message we can send, and we can get the instant feedback also. Instant messaging, easily we can send message, and we can get the reply also. WhatsApp is the very popular application. All we know about the WhatsApp, and WhatsApp is also helpful for the business for doing the communication. There are various kind of groups. There are various groups are also available on WhatsApp for doing the such all kind of communications, such all kind of business communications. Then Facebook is also the instant messaging applications, and it is also helpful for doing the advertising of the business, or many companies are also using Facebook for doing the advertising, for doing promotions of the product. Then video conferencing. With the help of video conferencing, effective communication can be done. Effective communication is possible with the help of video conferencing. We can arrange the meetings and we can communicate with members, and we can easily use such kind of applications for doing the business communications. Then also we can say the latest technology. If we think about the latest technology, Zoom application. Zoom application is also the very effective application using for communications. If we think about the organizational educations, Zoom application also play very important role. We can arrange a meeting. We can take the lecture of student. We can easily make the schedule or timetable for the particular meeting. There is a meeting, there is required meeting ID and password for the attending particular meeting. And now most of the educational organization are using Zoom application for organizing the webinar faculty development program, and also we can use Zoom application for taking lecture. Another one latest technology is used for business communication, and this is the Google Meet. With the help of Google Meet, we can take the lectures, we can make the video call, and there is also schedules, or we can provide the link before taking the lecture, before taking meeting. So such all kind of technologies are used in recent era, and all we know that in the lockdown situations, all we are staying at home, and because of these all kind of technology play very important role. Thank you so much.